Number 6. Human life in different surroundings. Part 1. Physical surroundings and the organisms that inhabit them vary across the earth, as do the ways in which the two interact with each other. This chapter focuses on one such physical environment and its types, namely the desert region. There are two kinds of deserts, hot and cold. The basic differences between them are as follows. Hot deserts. These lie between mid-latitudes. Cold deserts. These are located in high latitudes. Hot deserts. The land is sandy and rocky. Cold deserts. The land is covered with snow and ice. Hot deserts. Agriculture is less and possible through irrigation facilities. Cold deserts. Agriculture is possible only through the creation of a greenhouse. Hot deserts. Examples include Sahara, Thar, Arab and Kalahari deserts. Cold deserts. Examples include Gobi, Greenland, Tibet, Ladakh and Antarctica. Look at the map given below. It shows the most prominent hot desert in India, the Thar Desert in the western state of Rajasthan. Now let us study in detail about life in the hot and cold desert. The Thar Desert is located on the west of the Aravalli Hill Range and extends to the south of Punjab and Haryana till the run of Kutch in Gujarat. It also extends into Pakistan. Physical conditions. The Thar Desert is sandy and sand dunes form in large numbers. Climate is dry and sandstorms are experienced in the summer months. Day temperature can rise up to 50 degrees Celsius, while nights are cooler. Rainfall is low as minimum, and low rainfall mainly occur due to the monsoon winds. It is also due to the low water table and the high evaporation rate of water. Thus, drought is a perpetual problem. However, a unique feature is sudden floods when the rainfall is unfixed and irregular. An example is the 2015 floods that occurred in Jalore district. Most parts of the Thar Desert have salty water, but in Jaisalmer district, there is fresh underground water. Vegetation. Vegetation is sparse and thorny, with hard stems and spiked leaves. Most often, one will find small bushes, cactus, and some tree dotting the desert here and there. Bushes generally have small and thick leaves, spines on the bark, and long roots that penetrate very deep into the soil. Some vegetation commonly found are acacia, khejuri, and roheda. Animals. Camel is the most popular and valuable animal for the desert dwellers. It is used as a beast of burden and also for its milk and hide. Other domestic animals include goats, sheep and cows from whom milk, curd, ghee and meat are obtained. Many animal fairs are organized where sale and purchase of animals is also done. Means of livelihood. Traditional means of livelihood include animal husbandry, agriculture, making handicrafts, traditional folk art and manual labor. Agriculture is rain dependent and the main produce is mung, millets and barley as they require less water. After the Indira Gandhi irrigation project was initiated, water is available in plenty. Economic works. Many minerals like mineral oil, natural gas, lignite, gypsum, marble, salt and construction stones abound in this region. Due to the availability of minerals, many industries have been set up and some research-based institutions have also sprung up to find newer ways to use the available resources. Refineries have been established by the government too. Industry. Carpet industry, cotton and wool handlooms, handicrafts, marble statues, leather products, savory snacks and coloring and painting industries are found in the Thar Desert. Transport. Transport facilities include camel-drawn carts, buses, cars and jeeps that can traverse desert roads, and minivans for tourism purposes. Now an airport has also been set up in Jodhpur and tourism has developed well. Population. Generally, in hot deserts, the population density is very low and concentrated near the water sources. In the Thar Desert, the population density is high as geographical conditions are not extreme.